Friends, hello everyone. Today we will look at the main functions and features of the Smile headlamp from the KiLNex company. Why such a powerful red light and what can it be used for? The red light of the headlamp has a number of advantages. It does not irritate and dazzle the eyes. When you turn it off, you instantly get used to the darkness and can distinguish objects. It does not scare fish and animals, and does not attract insects. Another life hack about which few people know. It is useful for experienced fishermen who catch large fish using large and fat earthworms. They crawl out of their burrows only in the dark and are very afraid of bright white light, unlike red one. And with the help of this headlamp you can easily get such exclusive bait. How to remove and charge the battery. To charge the battery, unscrew the side cover. There is a rubber seal underneath because the headlamp is waterproof. This allows you to use it at depths of up to 2 meters. Here we have a Type-C connector and with the help of it we charge the battery. On the other side there is another cover also with the rubber seal. By unscrewing it, you can remove and replace the battery. There is also a magnet on the lid, which can be used to conveniently fix the headlamp on a metal surface. How to turn on turbo mode in white light. Turbo mode is activated in any white light mode by pressing the red button. It turns off in the same way. The headlamp also has a battery overheating protection function. Therefore, in turbo mode it works for 2.5 minutes and turns off automatically. Once the battery has cooled down, turbo mode is available again. Operating time is 2.5 hours with a luminous flux of 1100 lumens. This is the total time taking into account battery cooling. What is the battery capacity that comes with it? The kit comes with a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 3500 mAh, which provides autonomous operation up to 46 hours. What is the weight of the headlamp including battery? The weight of the headlamp together with the battery is 124 grams, which does not strain the neck muscles while using the head mount, but at the same time you can feel its power and reliability. Why is the headlamp called Smile? I think there is no need to explain why this model is called Smile. The cheerful smile of this device immediately catches your eye. What is the configuration? The package includes a protective transport case, a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 3500 mAh, a Type-C charging cable, 2 O-rings and, of course, the Smile headlamp itself. How does the mode memory function work? To remember a frequently used mode, you need to select the required light intensity and press the button for a long time, after which the headlamp will turn off. When you turn it on again, the mode you programmed will be selected. The function applies to both white and red light. Headlamp modes. The headlamp has 4 white light modes. 50 lumens for 46 hours, 270 lumens for 6 hours, 580 lumens for 4.5 hours in turbo mode, 1100 lumens for 2.5 hours. And 4 red light modes 20 lumens 30 hours of illumination, 35 lumens 18 hours, 70 lumens 5.5 hours and 140 lumens 4 hours of operation.